Okay guys, so you've bought your monkey against all warnings and sorry, don't get a monkey because of this or that reason. You've got the monkey. So please, and the next point I would like to ask you is, come and ask us for advice. Don't go and ask a person who's only got 1 or 2 or 3 monkeys. And most certainly don't go and ask breeders. Breeders think they know it all, but they don't. If you want solid advice, ask ourselves, who's got ethical sanctuaries, myself, Monkey Heartland, or Marlene Ouwenka Potgieter. That is solid information. That is solid advice that can be given. If I don't know something, I will go and find out and come back. You'll be on the right path. We will not fight with you. We will not argue with you. Our main aim is to help you, help your monkeys. So guys, reach out to us. My information is on our bio. You're welcome to contact us anytime if this is something that you would like to know. So please do not hesitate. We're not going to argue with you. And then certain breeders will tell people and give people advice that it's okay for the mom to mate with the son or the dad to mate with the daughter. But, oh no, they can't mate with the, further down the line. What a lot of crap. Guys, don't lend your ears out to breeders. That's the biggest crap I've ever heard. I just heard this earlier this morning about breeders telling people that, no, that's okay, mom and dad can breed with their son and daughter. That is inbreeding, guys. Doesn't matter whether it's the mom or dad or the brother or the sister. That can't happen. That's inbreeding. It always sounds like I'm on the warpath, but I'm not. I'm just here to inform, educate, and assist, and I'm very passionate about it. So, guys, do the right thing. Make sure of your facts. And then, like I say, reach out. We are here to help you, to help your monkeys. Thank you. And please, under no circumstances, don't let it come across that we support breeders. We do not support breeders, brokers, or exporters for that matter. And we don't support the buyers either. But unfortunately, that's nothing we can do about that. If you want to go and buy a monkey, you're going to go and buy a monkey. But yeah, it's always, we always say to people, make sure of your facts. Make sure that you know what you're letting yourself into. And that you are able and prepared to, that you're in a position to be able to provide them with proper husbandry. Otherwise, your monkey's just going to suffer. So guys, please make sure of your facts. Thank you.